Let us now take the next sutram in the Ashtadhyayi order, which is 32140. Trasi Gridhi Drishi Kshipehe Knuh. Very simple sutram. All it says that Etebhya Knuh Syat Tachiladishu Kartrishu, in the same adhikara of Tachila Tadharma Tatsadhukadishu. So what this sutram says is that we can use this affix knu following any one of these four verbal roots, which are verbal root tras, which in dhatu partha is trasi udvege in the divadi ganaha. The second one is gridh, which is grudhu avikangshayam in the divadi ganaha. Then the third one is the verbal root drish, which is ni drisha pragalbhye, ni drisha pragalbhye in the svadiganaha. And finally kship, which is kshipa prerane, which is in the divadiganaha as well as in the tudadiganaha. Following any one of these verbal roots is affix knu. This affix knu may be used to denote an agent who does the action as a matter of his nature or habit or sense of duty or family tradition or his skill. He's good at doing the action. Now, one thing here is that even though the affix may be used in one of these three meanings, it doesn't mean that all three may be applicable in the case of any given verbal root. It depends on the meaning of the verbal root. So if you take the example of this dhatu gridh, gridh basically means to be greedy. Gridh is to be greedy, same as in English. So when you say gridhyati tachilaha, now here it would be hard to justify the meaning of somebody who's greedy because of his duty. That doesn't make sense. Or somebody is greedy, he's good at it, he's skilled at being greedy. Those meanings don't make much sense. So even though the entire adhikara of the chirata dharmata sadhukarishu is coming down, we have to see what the meaning of the verbal root is. And according to that, all three meanings may not be possible. So I think in this case, we can take the example of gridhyati tachilaha. And let's derive the form gridhno. It's very straightforward. Gridh plus knu. By 3 to 140, this sutram trasi gridhi drishi kshipehe knu. Now the kakara is its in the affix knu by lashakpatudite tasya lopaha. So we get gridhno. Recall the sutram 7 to 8 ned vashikriti, which says that if you have a krit pratyaha which begins with the letter of the vash pratyaharaha, then it does not take the augment it. This nakara belongs to the pratyahara vash. So therefore this affix nu does not take idagamaha, no matter what the dhatu is. We don't have to check the dhatu because regardless of the verbal root, this affix cannot take idagamaha. So 7 to 8 stops 7 to 35. And also this kakara is a it. So knu has kakara as a it. So therefore kiniticha stops the gunadesha, which would have been done by puganta lagupatasya cha, the rukaraha. We would have taken a gunadesha, but 115 kiniticha stops that. So we get the form grudno. So grudno gets the pradipadika sanya by kritadita samasascha. So this is just one example of how this affix knu is used in the sense of someone who does the action as his nature or habit. In this case, gridno means one who's habitually greedy.